A stool is one of the earliest forms of seat furniture. It bears many similarities to a chair. It consists of a single seat, for one person, without back or armrests. On a base of a stool there are either 1, 2, 3 or 4 legs. A stool is generally distinguished from chairs by their lack of arms and a back. Stools not only are suitable for workspaces, but also for study areas. They can be easily used as student stools. Learning stools can be very practical in schools, libraries, university lecture rooms, laboratories, and so on. Stools are also very appropriate seats for outdoor spaces. Gardens, for example, are areas where stackable stools fit really well. They can be useful to rest in the open air, or also to use them as an auxiliary table next to a deck chair or a hammock. Comfortable and practical garden stools. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stool design ideas for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Stacking stools have timeless beauty, simplicity, and desirability. It was almost inevitable that imitations were bound to appear. Different stacking stool designs are experimented with in different workshops around the world. One such famous example, which has gained wide popularity, is IKEA's Froster stool, a much cheaper four-legged version that has become an affordable staple of many modern homes today. Stacking stools are popular seating options at different areas such as parks, recreational areas, convention centers, and so on. A leisure space is not conceived without a high stool. Although hospitality has not the exclusivity in the use of stools, it is true that they are the seats that we have found traditionally in bars and restaurants. Now the bar stools go beyond the bar, and many restaurants offer their customers the possibility of sitting down on a high stool to eat in front of a high table. Other areas, as waiting rooms at airports and stations, also need in their leisure areas stools to make more comfortable, pleasant, and informal the wait in passenger terminals. Stools offer a comfortable and informal environment that sometimes is required in workspaces. That's why many companies increasingly equip their facilities with office stools. These seats usually occupy rest areas to have a coffee or workrooms to meet. Stackable stools allow to move from one side to the other depending on the needs of each moment. For example, if you need to work with your workmates, they could seat comfortably on office stools and afterwards keep them stacked, saving space. Hotels are other space where stools have become important. Hotel stools help to give a more modern and casual look to the most classic hotels. In this way, in addition to use it as seat or auxiliary table, the stool can be key in the hotel decoration. In children game spaces, kid stools shouldn't be missing. In this case, stackable stools are the best option. Being low, they are easily reachable by the little ones, and being stackable, they allow to pick up the room quickly, leaving enough space for children to play while seats are not used. Stackable stools are versatile not only because they adapt easily to any space, but also because of their infinite uses. In addition to being used as seat, they can be useful as an auxiliary table. Well viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked stool design ideas for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.